Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the Guico Piano opening. Guico Piano opening is best suited for beginners and the intermediate level players. So this opening is start with the move e4 and black replies with e5. Here white play knight f3, normal developing move, and black replies with knight c6. Now white play bishop c4 and black play bishop c5. Here normally white plays castle or knight c3 here, but in the Guico Piano opening white plays the move c3. So the main idea of this move is to play d4 later and try to capture the center. Here black plays knight f6. Now white plays the move d4. Now black need to capture this pawn, otherwise let's say if he move his bishop to d6, now white can capture this with pawn. Now it's a double attack, so black need to do something about that. Here if black capture it with bishop, white have this idea knight g5, so threatening to capture the f7. So to protect this, if black castle, we have this move f4. Now the only move for this bishop is bishop d6. Now e5. Now white is winning the game because this is a double attack. So here normally black capture this pawn and white recapture it with c pawn. Now the correct move is bishop b4 check, but what happens if black plays bishop g6? Now here white can advance those pawns and improve his position. Like if knight moves to here, now this pawn knight comes to here, like that. So here best move is bishop b4 check. Now it's check. Here white got two options, knight c3 or bishop d2. This video lesson I'm going to talk about the bishop d2 variation, which is a very safe approach. Normally black will capture this and white recapture it with knight. Now if you castle here, white can improve his position by moving those pawns. So here best move is d5. Now white will capture this pawn. Now knight cut pawn. Here the best move for white is queen b3 check. Now here if black moves his queen to e7 and give a check, here he moves his king to d1. What happened now? Here there are two threats here. First one is white is going to capture this knight, and the second one is he is going to move his rook to here and pin the queen. Here it's winning for white. If he protect his queen, white will capture this knight. If he protect his knight, white will move his rook, then queen is hanging. So here the best move is for black is knight c d7. Now white castle and black castle. So that's all for today. In the next video I'm going to show you the knight c3 line. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the future notification.